Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by locking versions and isolating the environment. Use Python 3, 10+, and create a virtual environment. Once done, install your chosen framework, Fast API for async or Flask for simplicity, then pin dependencies and requirements. TXT or pip-reject. TOML so deployments match. Make a minimal app module, run the dev server, and verify a basic endpoint returns 200. Make sure to initialize Git and commit this working baseline. That gives you a safe starting point to iterate from. Now you implement the core logic. Define clear endpoints and data schemas so front-end and services can interact reliably. Connect a database via SQL Alchemy or an async ORM. Create models and use migrations, Alembic, to evolve schema safely. Handle config via environment variables and secrets management. Write unit and integration tests that exercise endpoints and DB transactions, and wire a CI pipeline to run those tests on each push. Once tests pass consistently, you can harden performance and add caching. To complete deployment, containerize the app with a multi-stage Docker file, include health checks, and run it via an ASCII server such as Uvicorn or Unicorn behind a reverse proxy. Configure env-vars, secret storage, and HTTPS, and set up logging and metrics so you can monitor behavior in production. Finally, automate deployments with CI/CD. If things go wrong, check logs and recreate the container locally. Often missing env-vars, DB migrations, or port mismatches cause failures. Start by verifying those 3 items.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.